Good morning. Today I'll show you how to make cell phone loads using MBFA in Facebook. So first of all, we need some tools. Okay, let's begin. So we need to format your PC first, but it's optional but highly recommended para mas mabilis po ang earnings nyo. It will depend sa PC nyo at sa internet nyo kung gaano kayo mabilis mag-earn. So we need also some softwares. We have the CC Cleaner, Dprise, VPN. We are using here the HMA or Hide My Ass, a Firefox, and a dial-up connection. Option nyo kung anong dial-up connection na gagamitin nyo, but for me, I'm using Globe Tattoo. So first of all, we need to install those softwares. Okay, let's begin.